Hey fuckers, day four, very easy. All this is easy. Day four, just focusing on your thoughts. You like my head? I just wanted to show you I actually have a head, and yes, no hair. No hair. Put your sunglasses on, it's shiny, fuckers. But yeah, take a seat. Shut the fuck up. Or lie down. Time to meditate. Day four, congrats for being here. Close your fucking eyes. Relax your fucking asses. Relax your face. And bring your attention and awareness to your breathing. Just notice your breath. Observe your breath. And if your mind wanders, bring it back to your breathing. Your mind wanders, just bring it back to your inhale and your exhale. Focusing and being aware of your breathing. Now bring awareness and attention to your body. This amazing body of yours doing so much for you to keep you alive. Your heart's beating. Your lungs, they inhale, exhale automatically. And take a scan of your body all the way from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes. And as you scan your body, notice any tension in your body. Nothing to do or control with the tension, just observe the tension and notice the tension. Just observe, be the witness to your body. Now bring your awareness and attention to your thoughts, your mind. And I wonder if you can imagine a TV screen. And on that TV screen is your thoughts. And you just watch your thoughts on the TV screen roll in and roll out. Nothing to do or control. Just watch your thoughts on the TV screen. Be the witness, just like you're watching a show or a movie. Watch your thoughts roll in and roll out. And if any thought spirals you out of the present moment, just come back to your breathing. Watch your thoughts, observe your thoughts. Take a nice deep inhale through your nose. Exhale, sigh it out, let it all go. And there you go. So we focused on our breath. We observed our breath. If our mind wanders, come back to the breath. And then we start to observe and notice the body. Take a scan of the body all the way up, all the way down, nothing to do or control. And then watch your thoughts, observe your thoughts, like you're watching your thoughts on a TV screen. Nothing to do or control. If you start to spiral on a thought, come back to your breath. Your breath is your foundation. Your foundation. So congrats. You did day 4. Boom.